Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Coinbase wallet. First, understand that verification is crucial for securing your digital assets and enabling full functionality. You'll start by navigating to the verification section within your wallet settings. Make sure you have a valid government-issued photo identification and proof of address ready to upload. This initial preparation will streamline the entire process. Next, you'll proceed with identity confirmation. Carefully enter all requested personal details, ensuring they match your official documents. Then, upload a clear, legible photo of your government-issued identification. This could be a driver's license or passport. Finally, you'll likely complete a liveness check, which typically involves taking a quick selfie to confirm you are a real person. After identity, you'll verify your address. Upload a recent document, such as a utility bill or bank statement, showing your current residence. Following this, securely link your chosen payment method, whether it's a bank account or a debit card. Coinbase will often send 1 or 2 small deposits to confirm ownership, which you'll then verify within the app. This step is vital for funding your wallet. If you encounter any issues, first ensure all your uploaded documents are clear, current, and match your entered information precisely. Double-check for any typos or data entry errors. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Coinbase support. They have dedicated teams ready to assist you through the verification process and resolve any specific challenges you might face.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.